You've already taken the steps necessary to set yourself apart from aftermarket competitors, like highlighting your factory-trained technicians, OEM parts, and comfortable amenities. And you likely already have retention programs in place to bring customers back for scheduled maintenance. But what happens when your customers need tires and they don't think of your dealership first, or they have a breakdown and the roadside assistance provider they call tows them somewhere else? Of the 6 major customer defection points dealerships face, some things are straightforward to plan for, like when factory paid maintenance is up or the OEM warranty has expired. But most dealerships have a hard time keeping customers coming back for tires and unexpected repairs. When customers need roadside assistance, who they call can determine whether they come back to you or end up with a competitor. Even factory roadside assistance won't necessarily tow customers back to your dealership if there's a closer one to your customer's breakdown location. Meanwhile, for tires, nearly a third of customers don't even realize their dealership offers tire services, so most are getting tire services elsewhere. And while F&I products like tire and wheel packages can be profitable if customers opt in, only a small segment of your service customers are covered by these plans, and they rarely require customers to come back to your service department. This is where DriveSure comes in. DriveSure is designed to help prevent service defection to aftermarket competitors so that you remain the go-to provider for maintenance, tires, and repairs. And DriveSure renewable benefits incentivize your customers to return to your service department at least every 6 months to keep their benefits active. Most programs out there only let you offer roadside assistance or tire protection benefits to customers who buy specific products or services at the time of vehicle purchase. With DriveSure, all your customers get these benefits simply by coming in for service, no special purchase required. This way, every customer gets access to the benefits and every customer is motivated to come back for service. This helps you stand out by offering greater value to your customers, all without profit-cutting discounts, while at the same time giving customers a reason to return for tires and unplanned repairs. They get remarkable benefits that renew whenever they come in for service, even for something as simple as an oil change. This all comes with our DriveSure Analytics dashboard, so you can watch your results grow over time. In this market, there's no silver bullet for retention. Rather than replacing your other retention solutions, DriveSure complements them, making your solutions work even better together. To learn more, visit drivesure.com and book a free consultation.